Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Excel AutoSum function. AutoSum function is a very fast function to use if you have a large number or if you want to calculate your sum very fast and very quickly and very accurately. How do you use it? First, you open your Excel document. This is your sheet. You can put some figures so that you use the function. Well, let's type in some figures. I can type 1, 2, 3. I can type in price. I can type in total. Let's say quantity of some items is 200. Item number 1, item number 2 is 500, item number 3 is 350, the next one is 450, the next one is 650, the next one is 800. And the price, let's say price per unit is it's 5, the next one is 3, the next one is 10, the next one is 20, the other one is 30, the other one is 15. Let's say you want to use the AutoSum function to get the total of all these quantities. You can place your cursor in this cell, then you click on AutoSum. It's on your right, so you click on AutoSum. It brings a highlighted section, so you select the section that you want to get the AutoSum. So it gives you a sum of from cell number B3 to B8. So you press enter on your keyboard. It brings in the sum of all these items under quantity. That's 2,950. Now, if you want to get the total, like the total this item number 1, the quantity is 200, that the price is 500. How do you do it? You press the equal sign, get the quantity multiplied by the price, then you press enter. That's 1,000. 200 times 5 is 1,000. You can autofill the remaining cells so that the formula is pulled down to all the remaining cells, and then you get the AutoSum, the total that you need for all this. So you highlight the cell, then you click on AutoSum, then you select what you want to be AutoSummed. Those are the numbers. Then you press enter. It gives you 46,500. Basically, that's how you use the AutoSum function. It's faster, and you get your results there. If you have any comment, remember to put them down there. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.